Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video I've got a special dish for you. It's the chicken biryani. Not just any chicken biryani, I'm going to make this chicken biryani in a tray, in an oven. So stay tuned and watch this video. If you are new to the video guys, please like and subscribe to our channel, and the guys that have been supporting our channel, much love to you guys and thank you for your lovely comments. And yeah, keep engaging with us, and because we love hearing from you. So let's crack on with this chicken biryani dish in a tray. First thing we're going to do is add a good, just over a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Salt to taste, about half a tablespoon. One teaspoon of haldi powder, and I've got 800 grams of chicken in here. Coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, again if you want to use less you can do, that's 1 teaspoon. And I'm also going to use another one of Kashmiri chili powder. Half a teaspoon of Gram Masala. And this is my all-purpose, I've called it, home style curry powder. So this is going to be made with fresh whole spices. So this has got the lovely aromatic flavour. So I'm going to use 1.5 of those. Squeeze of lemon juice. Two tablespoons of yogurt. Some coriander. And I've also got about another tablespoon of mint, fresh mint leaves, just chopped roughly. And again I've got a couple of green chilies. There we go. We need some oil. And now what we're going to do guys is just mix everything together, and then we're going to let this marinate for about a couple of hours before we transfer it to the dish. That's looking good. And what we're going to do now is, I've got onion, so this is 1 small red onion and 1 tomato. There we go, that looks all good guys, so let's leave that as it is. This is our chicken biryani marination done guys. What we're going to do now, let this set for a couple of hours. And there we go. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. Alright guys, so this is the other part to our chicken biryani dish. We've got some hot water. We're going to bring the water to boil, and then we're going to make our rice for the chicken biryani. We're going to cook it to about 75%. Okay guys, so this water is hot, so I'm going to add in a couple of bay leaves, add in 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, couple of star anise. These are small. If it's a big star anise, just use one. And I've just got a couple of, and a bit more cinnamon, and I've got a couple of cardamom as well going in. Because I want the rice to be flavoursome, so I'm going to add some a bit of mint and a bit of coriander as well. And I'm just going to bring this, give it a little stir, bring it to boil. Then I'm going to add in my rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice, which is about 600 to 700 grams it was. So they have been washed and soaked. So let's just drop them in there. And all we're going to do now, guys, add a bit of oil and then just wait for it to cook to 75%. Well, I'll say about 75, 80%, so not fully cooked, just before it's fully cooked. Tiny bit of oil. And I'll see you guys when this is done. Okay guys, so the rice has been boiling away for about 5 to 6 minutes, so it's pretty much ready to the level we want it. So I've taken the heat off and I just want to show you where it is. Let's get that closer. There. So it's not fully, it's almost done, but it's still got the grain in there. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to drain the water out. So I'll be back in 2 ticks. And we're back. So this is how our rice is. So it's not fully cooked yet. We've still got the bay leaves, cardamom and all of that in there. Let's push that to a side. Alright guys, and here we are. So time to start making our chicken biryani final step. So here is our chicken marinated. Look at that, looks amazing. Right, so let's get this in there. So first thing I'm going to do is put all of it in there. So this, let's move this here actually. So this is a really nice little dish to make, you know, when you're busy, when you've got loads of stuff to do, and all you could do is just put this in there. We've got birthdays, celebrations, nice little thing to do. And then what you could do is just obviously, once it's ready, just serve this as it is. Right, so that's that. So what we're going to do now is layer this with our rice. Cover it up, and again, if you want to add some potatoes and that sort of stuff, guys, you can do. That's a good shout actually. Potatoes in there. Right, so I've got some fried onion. So like we sort of said, this is going to be a really simple recipe. So I've not made these. These are actually shop bought fried onions. And then I'm going to add a couple of green chilies. And then mixture of mint leaves and coriander leaves. And then what we're going to do again is just give it the final layer of rice now. Try and keep it all in the tray. There we go. Got a star anise in there. Make sure all the meat, chicken is all covered. Right. again, what we'll do, give it a final layer of. So again, I've got some chili. Right, so we've got some ghee here, so this is nice, this is the important, well I say important, but yes. Just going to put a few little dollops. Right. Lovely, alright? Okay, so what I've got here is saffron in milk and it's just been soaked away, so I'm just going to put that here. If you want to, if you've got some saffron, go ahead, use it. It gives a nice flavour and aroma as well. If you don't have it, you can skip it. And I've just got some red food colouring as well. Gonna put it throughout. Right, having said that, guys, that's pretty much done. All we need now is there we go, and that's it. Our chicken biryani is ready for the oven. So let's take it to the oven. Right, so here it is, guys. So our chicken biryani in a tray is in the oven. I'm going to cook it for just over an hour 10 minutes on gas mark 200. Alright guys, so here is our chicken biryani out the oven. So it's been about an hour, just over an hour or so. So let's give this a go. Ooh. First thing, guys, this smells absolutely gorgeous. That smells really good. Check it out. Let's get this. Wow, look at that. That's lovely. Nice chicken piece. Give it a nice little mix. Let's make sure it's recording. It is. That's great. So guys, this chicken biryani, it's easy recipe. So the days that you've got busy day, lots of things going on, or even like party ones, really, put everything in there, put it in the oven for an hour, just over an hour, and you've got fantastic chicken biryani there. Right, okay, let's get this plated up and give it a taste. This piece looks nice. What do you think? Oh, chicken's nice and moist, that's good. Absolutely bang on. This is what we're talking about, guys. Right, guys, absolutely amazing. There you have it. Chicken biryani done in a baking tray in the oven. No need to faff around with 10 different pots and pans. Get everything in there. Whack it in the oven. Give it an hour, just over an hour. Job's a good one. Right guys, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.